Signing up and making money with Canva is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Canva's user interface is intuitive and easy to use, making it accessible to individuals with little to no design experience. This means that even beginners can create professional-looking designs quickly. Canva provides a vast library of templates for various design purposes, such as social media posts, presentations, flyers, business cards, and more. These templates can save you time and provide a starting point for your projects. While the templates are handy, it allows you to customize them extensively. You can change colors, fonts, images, and layouts to suit your brand or personal style. Canva offers a library of design elements like icons, illustrations, stock photos, and videos that you can easily incorporate into your designs. It provides collaboration features, enabling multiple users to work on a design project simultaneously. This is particularly useful for teams and remote collaboration. Now, let's begin with the initial step, that is creating an account on Canva or signing in if you already have an account. To do so, simply click on the Sign Up button given on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll need to add basic credentials to sign in, or you can also use your Google account. Choose the account with which you want to proceed further. Once you're in, the first thing you're going to see is Canva's homepage. Canva's homepage prominently displays a selection of templates for various types of designs. These templates cover a wide range of categories, such as social media posts, presentations, flyers, posters, business cards, and more. Users can click on these templates to start a new design project based on a specific category or style. Canva often provides an option to set custom dimensions for your design, allowing you to specify the exact size you need for your project. This is useful for creating designs for specific platforms or print materials. Canva sometimes highlights featured collections of templates curated by Canva or guest designers. These collections may be based on seasonal themes, popular trends, or special occasions. It often provides links to tutorials, articles, and learning resources to help users improve their design skills and make the most of the platform's features. Now, to be a Canva affiliate, open a new tab in your web browser and open canva.com/affiliate. Or you can open this page from Canva's Help Center. This page provides a straightforward guide to becoming a certified Canva Pro affiliate, which is also referred to as Canva Setter, and the application process is quick and hassle-free, accessible to anyone. Basically, this program was launched to empower content creators, enabling them to inspire and uplift people all around the globe, especially within the Canva community. This program is currently collaborating with community members who create content on social platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. It's worth noting that Canva boasts a high acceptance rate for new affiliates. Once registered, you can immediately begin earning commissions. Some requirements that it requires include to live the Canva values, be an independent creator, have an active and engaged audience, commit to create at least one piece of Canva-related content per month on one of the specified platforms, and to agree to abide and follow Canva's branding and NDA guidelines. To know more about it, you need to go to canva.com/contributors. Here we have how it works. Basically, the first step you need to do is sign up as an affiliate. This is very basic. You need to sign up with your basic credentials. After that, it will allow you to upload your work. As we know, creating your work on Canva is not a problem. You can create your own designs or templates to generate quality work through it. Right after that, you will start earning every time users use your item when they design in Canva. It is pretty simple. You can sell photos, graphics, stickers, and videos on Canva. So become an affiliate. Simply visit impact.com/get-started. This will redirect you to impact.com, the platform handling Canva's affiliate program. Click on the Sign In button and you'll be prompted to provide basic personal information such as your name, email, and create a password for your impact.com account. You can also choose to continue with other options such as your Apple account, Google account, Twitter, and others to continue the sign-in process. Firstly, you will need to enter your first and last name along with your email address and mobile number, or you can continue by using your Apple, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Google account. Then, you'll be asked to enter the code sent to your email address which you have entered on the previous page. This will complete your email verification process. You might be interested in the commission rates that Canva offers for affiliate referrals. For monthly Canva Pro subscriptions, you'll earn a substantial 80% of the $13 fee, which amounts to approximately $11 for every successful sign-up. Canva provides a user-friendly affiliate dashboard that allows you to conveniently monitor clicks, commissions, and essential analytics related to your affiliate marketing efforts. Furthermore, as a Canva affiliate, you'll gain access to Canva's extensive library of ad templates, images, and marketing materials. These resources can prove highly valuable in creating effective marketing campaigns. Now that you've successfully signed up as a Canva affiliate and have your custom Canva affiliate links in place, it's time to focus on driving traffic and generating sales. An effective strategy is to study and replicate the tactics used by top Canva affiliates. One excellent platform to explore is TikTok, where you can find Canva-related content and analyze the marketing strategies employed by successful affiliates. Many TikTok accounts, like the ones you see here, have gained substantial followings and likes by creating professional Canva tutorials and life hack videos. These videos offer valuable insights into using Canva effectively and often accumulate millions of views. These engaging tutorials drive significant traffic to the affiliate links of these content creators, resulting in increased Canva Pro subscriptions. What's remarkable is that you don't necessarily need to appear on camera in these tutorial clips to be successful. This strategy works well for both established and regular TikTok users. The key is to create videos that genuinely provide value and insights. When you offer valuable content, viewers are more likely to click on your links and consider subscribing to Canva Pro. You can also promote Canva templates as an affiliate by identifying popular templates like charts and graphics and providing links to them. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more helpful content in our upcoming videos.